Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Asma Zafar and today's topic of this video is dental implants and how scientists are making them work better for people with osteoporosis. So osteoporosis is a disease which weakens the bones, making dental implants a bit risky. But a new approach might change that. Researchers are looking into strontium-coated titanium implants. Strontium is a mineral that helps bone grow stronger. So the question is, do these special implants work better in people with weak bones? What are strontium-coated implants? So the standard dental implants are made of titanium. These new ones have a tiny coating of strontium on their surface. This coating slowly releases strontium ions into the jaw bone as the implant heals. But why do we use strontium? Strontium acts in two ways. Firstly, it tells the bone building cells to get busy and make more bone. Secondly, it slows down the cells that break down the bone. So the bone making cells are the osteoblasts and bone breaking cells are the osteoclasts. So this double action is exactly what's needed to improve implant success in people with osteoporosis. So how did this study work? In this study, the scientists reviewed a bunch of research studies on animals. These studies compared regular titanium implants to those coated with strontium. The animals all had weakened bones mimicking osteoporosis. And what were the results? So the good news is the research showed that strontium-coated implants led to several improvements. One of the improvements was stronger bone to implant connection. So the stronger bone to implant connection is very crucial for successful implant. The strontium seemed to help the bone grow tightly around the implant. So the second improvement was more bone was grown around the implant. This extra bone provides better support and stability for the implant. Another important thing is improved bone quality was also noticed. The strontium appeared to create a stronger, denser bone structure around the implant. Okay, let's talk about the limitations and future of this study. This research was done on animals, so we don't yet know for sure if strontium-coated implants will work the same way in humans. More studies are needed, especially clinical trials with people who have osteoporosis, of course. This study also did not all agree on the best way to coat the implants with strontium or how much strontium should be used. So these are the questions that need to be answered and answers should be figured out before widespread use in humans. Strontium-coated implants show promise for improving dental implant success with people with osteoporosis. So this news is very exciting as this could expand treatment options for many patients. However, more research is still needed before the technology becomes widely available. If you're considering dental implants and have osteoporosis, talk to your dentist about the options and latest research. They can help you understand the risks and benefits of different implant options. As always, thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions about dental implants or osteoporosis, leave a comment below and I will do my best to answer them. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more science update. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.